my day was fantastic.
So tell me, why was it spectacular?
It was spectacular because we played Holi today.
Okay, so you have enjoyed a lot.
And yes, I also played with my friends and neighbors, also with my family too. I
But
mean,
I cannot see
parents.
any color on your face.
As because I played it in the afternoon and I
Okay,
already
all right.
have taken a bath.
Okay, that's great. Perfect. Sorry.
If you don't use it, you will lose it.
So do you want to use it or you want to lose it?
I want to use it. So, how are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Everything is going perfect. Thank you for asking. So tell me, how was your day?
So, my day was fantastic
Okay,
or
it was
spectacular
fantastic. Okay, it
or
was
spectacular.
spectacular. Yeah, thank you for using such amazing words. So tell me, why was it spectacular?
It was spectacular because we played Holi today.
Okay, so you have enjoyed a lot.
And yes, I also played with my friends and neighbors, also with my family too. I
But
mean,
I cannot see
parents.
any color on your face.
As because I played it in the afternoon and I
Okay, all
already
right.
have taken a bath.
Okay, that's great. Perfect. Apart from that, is there any activity you just participated in that? Dancing, singing, so many things would be there, right?
I also went to a program where all many children were singing and dancing.
So did you participate in that?
I didn't participate because they were singing Bengali song and I don't understand Bengali only.
Okay, all right. So are you able to understand Hindi songs?
So a little, I guess.
Okay. So what is your mother tongue?
So it's Hindi.
Okay, your mother tongue is Hindi, but you don't understand Hindi music. How is it
So not
possible?
much, but so I don't understand it much, but I understand it little, but I don't understand Bengali at all.
Okay, all right. But basically, you're from Bengal, right?
Yes, sir.
But still, you don't understand Bengali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Tweet, tweet,
So,
tweet, tweet.
okay. So tell me, what did you learn yesterday? I gave you some sort of homework, but I didn't receive homework.
But sir, you didn't send me it only. I couldn't find any homework at WhatsApp.
I told you that you have to create one video, whatever we have learned.
But
Am I
I
right?
didn't greet anyone. No one was waiting only.
Okay,
Everyone
so
was just running here and there, here and
how
there,
did you
here
wish
and there.
people? How did you wish people?
I just used one word, Happy Holi.
Simple one.
Yeah. So nothing was tough yesterday, I guess.
In previous learning, whatever we have learned.
So nothing was tough in the previous session learning.
Okay, everything was as simple as anything, right?
As simple as a mouse.
Okay, all right, no problem. So I would be asking you some sort of questions, okay?
Related to Holi again. I don't like.
Petrol and diesel, it is quite expensive nowadays, right?
Yes, so why?
I told you that I gave you car. I gave you the key of car, okay? I told you that you can use only for 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. But You are just going there because it has included much diesel. So you are just going 100 kilometers. You are going 200 kilometers. Do not do that. Okay.
But so I was thinking, why don't I complete 50 passage?
Yes. So you have to. I will give you chance. You can complete it. But if you don't understand the vocabulary, if you don't understand word, you are just reading and you are not able to pronounce the word correctly. So will it benefit you? Tell me.
Nothing, so it won't benefit anything.
Yes. So that's what whatever you are learning, learn correctly.
You don't use it, you will lose it.
So do you want to use it or you want to lose it?
I want to use it. So I want to use it, not lose it.
Absolutely. So that's what I want. You do not have to lose anything. You have to remember this thing in your whole life. You will not forget. Okay. So that's what every day there would be a limited amount. Okay. All right.
All
You
right.
are feeling hungry. Okay. All right. But it requires to eat four chapatis. Okay. All right. But
All
if you
right.
are eating more than that, you are eating 10 chapatis unnecessarily. So what will happen? You will get sick, right? If you are eating much, more than requirement. What will happen if you are eating something more than requirement?
You will get sick, have a
Yeah,
stomach
doctor
pain.
told you, okay. Doctor told you you have to have this one tablet, okay? All right? All right? Or doctor told you that you have to have this syrup one spoon. But you find that syrup quite sweet in taste. So you have drunk the whole syrup, whole bottle. So what will happen?
It
Will
will
it
affect
work?
you.
Yes,
It will affect you
it will put the negative effect, right?
instead of the benefit.
Yes. Similarly, I gave you two passages to solve. You have completed 20 passages. Will it work? Tell me.
Actually, I love doing it. So actually, I love doing quizzes the best.
Yeah, so I will tell you another platform so where you can play some games related to quizzes, okay?
But say you still didn't give me the platform of listening.
It's quite complicated to find a platform for listening. I need to research about that, okay? A good platform, okay?
So you should
I
try the
search one platform that is for advanced learners. Might be you will not understand the vocabulary because they use quite complex language. So I need to search the some platform where you can easily understand. Like they are using the language which is A1 level, A2 level, B1 level, something like that. If somebody is using is speaking in a fast manner, they are using quite advanced word. Will you be able to understand?
first application will come like that, then will come 8 to 10, then 10 to 12. From there, you have to choose.
Okay, all right, that's perfect. I will research about that, then I will send you. Okay. Without research, I don't send anything. Okay. If I don't know about anything and I'm just teaching you in a very wrong manner, so will it work for you? If I'm teaching
Not at
something
all.
wrong, definitely it will put negative impact or the you will be getting through some precarious effects. It's better to research about that thing than recommend others. Okay. All right.
So I have used it many times already,
Okay,
I
then it's
guess.
perfect. So now what